This meeting is being recorded.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ahmed Mahjoub, so Sadiq, here for exercise 3, and technique 2. So let's take a look at the slides up. Okay. Here is the exercise. We're programming this. Okay, here is the problem. We have C++ program define custom string class separate file. Okay, we are provided the code, which means so three files, HTTP, class specification file. Have the main file also. This one, right? Yes. And main file and the implementation file. Again, given fully the purpose of the main file is to perform automatic testing on task you have accomplished. When you run the program, the original code base will notice that all tests fail, as shown in figure 1. So this is the out. Okay. By accomplishing the tasks, modify it should be your job is turned to this to us. So this is the output we have to do. Okay. Modify only the class implementation file. So you're just going to open the implementation file. Okay. The other thing they are provided. Following class. Okay. Creating communication implementators. Void push from push back. String operator. So okay, which don't say the void push from this method merges to the string s to the object's attribute data. In front, for example, we have an object CS, then this operation, modify data of CS. Let's open the file here. This one, right? We have tried the names and the location. First of all, wait. We did not share the screen. Oh, okay, let's see. It's okay. Now the screen is shared. So let's try to read first. Location still sometimes my so time from the duration. I think we start at 1:55 maybe. Start from 5 minutes ago. I think we do this later. Yeah, maybe.
So we start with the first levels.
Yeah.
So string function, custom string post string references data, custom string get data. So this is given functions. Let's open the other files.
Just wait for a minute.
This meeting is being recorded.
So this is HPV open me set file. So class we have public, the private string data, and class names custom string of the second function. Get data, set data.
We only have to modify this one. Where is the complete implementation of the methods? Some modify data of CS to hello world. Date and time will be modified later. Okay, this is the push front. Okay, the main idea. Made object attribute data in front. For example, if we have an object, the class is just the word string, you know, it's just a string. The data to hello world. So we just add two strings. We add the first string to
So yeah, just words hello.
add push front. The
So it will
the
be
original string here will be
pushed back,
uh,
pushed in.
no. Push front here. When you call push front, for example, string hello.
Oh,
The original
will be pushed back.
this is the original one, right?
Yes.
This will be in the front,
Yeah.
the one we called. So it become like this. So in the code here we have a constant string here is okay. So it's just simple, you know, the modified data here is modified, the original data. This is the modified one. You take the original
So
here.
just concatenation, normal concatenation.
Ah, yes, exactly. So in order to edit the original data, you just call it data equals the, what did we say here? We take this one at the beginning and push data back. So data will be modified. So this one, which is S,
Oh,
yes,
it will be pushed in front.
yes, so it will be S plus data. Okay, just like this. Push back.
That's normal concatenation.
The void pushback. This method merges the strings object from previous data. We open objects, yes. It's just the opposite.
Oh, so you have like custom string C++.
Yes, this is the original.
C++ the pushback programming to be pushed in the.
At the end of this, the original string, so it will be modified like this. So it's just the opposite of the first one. Equals data. So okay, the pop string. Okay, this method extracts, returns a substring from the object's attribute data, starting from the index and taking as many as one, two, so Here is from the open state, for example, if you have an object, string ABCDEF, string result 2, 3, will give the result CD. So
So if like yeah, string ABCDEF, the result will be popping the index and the count. We just take like here take from index 2, 0, 1, 2. Just take EF and erase the previous elements in that string.
ABCD, so it's just a substring.
I can do this.
Ah, you want to do it? Okay.
Okay, so pop integer index, integer counts, like start with.
Why the if? So we check the index, right?
Yeah, we check the index. Check the index first and then proceed. If the index is less than 0, it is less than 0, the length
Checking the index and length, right?
yes, the index and the length is fully proceeding with them.
Okay, I think so.
Okay.
No, not like this, not like this.
How?
Let me check. We want to check for three things. First, then the user will input, right? Will input the index and the count. So he can take the substring from his
index.
input, right?
Yes.
So what we are checking? First, we are checking for the index. If it's less than 0, it will not be acceptable. So it just will not return anything.
Yes.
This is the first thing. The second thing, the data length for the should be account. The data length and the count. The count should not be more than the data length. Okay, so when we are taking specific, for example, the string is 5 length, we cannot take 7.
Oh,
Okay, and the last thing is the count. What should we do with the count?
it's like index less than 0 and length is
And count is count cannot be less than 0.
oh,
Okay,
count.
so it's just four cases.
Or and.
Or because we're checking data.length. Uh, um, what did we say now?
Index.
Count is
Counts less than 0. Is equal less than
larger than data length. Or count less than 0 should return that's wrong, right? Didn't return this one,
yes, yes.
which is an empty space.
And else it would be
Okay. The length here. This is the first case. Else string resume.
if like if the index is greater than 0 and the count greater than 0 and the count not less than that length, it will I think it will assign string of. I think it will, the pop, it will pop from that count. It's so that's checking for the validity of the count at the index, right?
I think so. Yeah, checking exactly. We want to take specific links, right, from the count here.
Yes.
So
So it will be take. We suggest that the length, the length is equal to data length. Where is the length? And now we are going to come. Now we are going to assume that like for integer I is equal to 0. So it's going to do a loop check for I is
semicolon.
less than, than the length that we made. I plus this loop will check.
Okay, we said here something. Where is the file?
Right.
Okay. Okay. String. Oh, front or back here. We are in the book. We have integer index. Integer count. This method takes return as substring on the object's attribute data started from the index and taking as many count as count character. And starting from one index, take a character and take as many as count characters. Okay. The extra substring will also be erased from the object state. For example, we have an object string, so we will get it the original data. Okay. So there are some conditions. For example, if the user takes an index, okay. If
Oh, yes, yes.
index,
You want to check the index first.
yes, check index. Index is less than 0, or the
The count also.
the length is larger. We have index, we take the count. The count is larger than this one, and also the count is less than 0. This will return this one, just an empty
String.
bias. We'll just return empty string here. Okay, so after checking this, we start looking to data we will take. Okay, we should focus on the length of the data. So we make
And we want to pop like from a specific place. So we should you want to set the length to an integer.
yes. So after checking this, because maybe the index, we want to check the index and the count and the length here. If the index and the count are larger than the length, for example, if index is 5 and count is 2.
So he'll take from 5, he'll take 2 elements.
Yes, this is the main idea. Index plus count is larger than length. Okay. So lengths, not the lengths, the count will be equal to lengths minus lengths. So this is just for checking.
semicolon.
Yes. Okay. So these are the two conditions we have to consider here. So now we have to
We have to put
bob this one, yes, but we have to check first here. He said we have to edit the main data. So the real data will be edited. So we have,
shall we just like say return the pop function with the index and the count?
I don't think,
Like this.
no, we are working on the bob function. This is the original bob function.
Oh,
This will be the base for this one, as we see here. Then he said that you should implement the method for the bob function. This is the original bob function we use.
oh,
Okay. So here we have to get the result. Okay. So string result equals data index count. And what is this? This is the result we will output. Okay. When we call this function, it will give us this result. Okay. This is the first thing. The second thing is modifying the.
result is the string we substring from that.
No, yes. This is the idea. So, data substring, right? Sub, substring the data, right?
Yes, okay.
Substring.
String the data.
Okay. That's the first thing. The second thing is modifying the data. Data equals substring dot data 0 to the index, because we take, for example, from here to here.
Oh,
Okay, so this we take from the index, from 0 to the index, to modify it for to be like this.
oh, okay.
Not here. Here, I mean, for this one, right? Or maybe from here. We take from the index. We take this one to the index and add it to the remaining one. This one here.
Okay. Makes sense.
Okay. It is data dot substring, right?
Yeah, that's yes.
It's not substring data.
Awesome.
Oh, subs. Okay. Plus here. Plus data dot sub string count plus index. I think so. Then we return result. This modifying this is the result here.
Oh,
Okay.
so just like concatenating the two substrings.
What do you mean by the result? The result is the substring we have taken from the original string. Okay. This modifying is the remaining part.
Oh,
So this is what we'll get as output. This is here. This one. This is this one. Okay. This is the result. What we have taken. The remaining is this. Okay. This is the idea. I think this is good. Do you want to do these ones?
Yes, I can do back front and back. Like come this.
Same.
So about string pop front to account. This method extracts and returns some string from pictures data, starting from the beginning and taking as many count characters as the same string. Will also be erased and not step. So the example is string ABCDEF. Some string that pop front thing. Give result ABC and leaving strings directly.
The extracted substring will also be erased from the object's data.
So we take from the front till a specified count.
Yes.
And we will use the method that we did in C, pop functions. So we will use a pop function to extract the string from the first index.
Yes.
I think it's quite easy. It's like
I don't think you have to do some complicated thing.
it'll be just like
Until count.
till count is.
No. You will just what is this? You will just return it.
Return one is yes.
Return the bob, not
Yes.
you'll just return the bob. Okay, this one. Just like this.
Yes, I think that's all about it.
Yes.
Sure. Yeah, OBC DEF will take from 0 to specific count
Okay.
that the user wanted. Let's go to back. Back. So it extracts and returns substring from the object's attribute data, and then by taking as many count characters or the opposite.
It is yes, the opposite. We take from the back.
Okay, makes sense. So I think we will do the same thing. We will previously do check first if the count is less than 0.
Yes.
Okay, we'll check first.
Yes. We do this.
So first we'll check
Because it's not starting from the 0. We have to check first. Yeah.
less than 0 also will return empty string.
Not the count, the index. Because
Here just take count.
there is an option because the user here will yes, that's right. But the idea is that there is an option. I don't, it's not clear for me. You can continue.
So I think, and then you can specify the link that you will extract the count from. So to be integer length is equal to data. Then we're going to check whether the count. And then we have the link. We're going to compare this length with count, yes. If the count is greater than this length, we're going to compare the count that we have with the length of the string. If the count is greater than the length, then it will extract that part from the exceeding part. So the count will be equal to the length. So like if the count was 7, for example, and the length was 6, to extract the count to be 6 also. And then to just return the length minus count of the count.
Pop.
Yes, but
And what function is this?
they're the same. I think we should also implement this method by making use method pop from 1C. Yes. So it's same. Just made return pop the length minus and down the length to pop from the same, like if the user entered a length 7, for example, to pop this length is minus 7 count, and then it will take the previous part, the latest part of the string.
Yes, yes.
It's the opposite of the pop front.